picture, but we're on another. Let's get out of there. Let's get out. Out is out. We're about halfway. Well, that's pretty windy. Football fields and basketball. So I think there's going to be fuckers fucking about all night, you know. And I haven't got time for that. So I'm going to move on to the next one. See if that brings any sunshine. Cars coming all the time, it's not stopping, so we'll just have a quick look on the other side. I've managed to find number 2. Give a quick shot of that, so you know you're looking at. There. Looks pretty nice, we've got a look now. Get the camera maybe. You just don't shut up till about 10 o'clock. Over there just now, you can see the, I don't think you can on a GoPro, but you can see the football field. They was steep homes, flat homes, Sully. Nice photograph. I should have brought a big camera, but we'll have a walk first, see what's about. Looking place in there. You know, if you like being alone and nobody about to piss you off, that's very nice. A couple of lads fishing over there. Dog chasing me here. I'm not going much further. See, this water is coming up, but it's not due up till about 12 tonight, so strange old place, isn't it? Alright, that's as far as we go. So there's Sully. So Barry is just around this corner, Barry Island. That's what I'm thinking of doing, because it's early. Shoot off down to Barry or something. This side, please. Next time. Alright folks, we're going to have to pack up. I don't know if you can hear that dog. He haven't stopped. He was ill before we come out, mine, so you know, my fault more than his probably, but we're going to call it a night, I think, and I'm going to drive home in a day. I can get home, put him to rest. No, not put him to sleep, put him to rest. Fuck, it ought to be put to sleep. Yeah. You hear him? He's done it since we left the house. I've took him down on the beach on the one place. I took him down on the beach on the second place, and that's all he's done. He usually quietens down and he's not going to quieten down, is he? I'm just doing my head in. I didn't even watch a film, man. Didn't even watch a film tonight. So, hands up, hands down, hands across. Can't do it. I can do it. I can't do it with him. I said that I was going to leave him home because he's not very well. He's got earache, you know when he got earache because he bangs his head on the floor like a right nutcase. So we should have come home. Shouldn't have brought him for like anyway. Nice couple of places I went to, but it was very one was full of kids playing football. I popped down to Barry Island and then I come back up to where I was, and he haven't not stopped for six hours, 7 hours. I could actually have a kip, you know what I mean? But anyway, I gotta get up, get dressed, get up, get dressed. That's where I should have went. I should have went over there with Alex. All right. So feel free to comment, and You alright, Best? Are you dead? Oh dear. Don't want to know, is it? Oh, wait there we go, movement. You alright? Alright, go back to sleep. Definitely not right.